Hi lovelies, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to Anne's Delicious Kitchen. Join me in the kitchen and let's make a delicious mackerel stew. For this recipe, these are the ingredients I will use. They will be listed in the description. Let's get started. For a healthier option of oil, I will use 1 cup of olive oil. Once the oil becomes hot, I will go in with my sliced red onion and start infusing the flavors. Fry this for about 2 minutes on medium heat. The next ingredient I have is my 3 chopped garlic cloves. Fry this for 2 minutes, still on medium heat. Instead of using fresh chilies, I am going to use 1 tablespoon of chili powder, or you can use chili flakes. Fry for 3 minutes. So, for this stew, I will not blend the chopped tomatoes. I have just added 1 tin of chopped tomato in my skillet and will mix everything together until it's well combined. Cook gently for about 20 minutes. After slow cooking the mixture or sauce for about 20 minutes, add your seasonings. I just added half a teaspoon of curry powder, 2 shrimp cubes, and salt to taste. I will then mix everything together nicely. After about 5 minutes, add the mackerel and let it cook gently for about 5 minutes to allow the flavors to permeate. At this point, the stew is cooked through. You can basically enjoy it with a bowl of rice, boiled yam, boiled plantains, you name it. We enjoyed ours with noodles. So, we've come to the end of this video. I know it's short, but I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you so much for your support and stay blessed.